Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Got Boogie right here. And we're going to be unboxing and demonstrating this Pawaboo cat tunnel. So Boogie really likes to play and hide in like boxes and things like that. So I think he's going to love this little pet tunnel here. Comes this cute little bag there. And it looks like this thing just might explode on us, and it does. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Oh, whoa, whoa. All right. This thing is, okay, so there's different ways this can go together. It's got a zippers on the end, and we can just zip it together. And I think I'm gonna make, oops, it's got a bunch of little cat toys on here too that the cats can play with. Put little pom-poms on the end of them. Already Boogie is like, what is going on here? So let's try to just assemble this real quick. I'm just gonna take this zipper on this side and put these two together. Just get my zipper right here and slide that up there. All right. It's a little tricky, but I think we got it. Oh. All right. Just because this one's pushing on me here, and I just got to get that zipper part down in the zipper part, just like putting on a jacket. Okay, how difficult could this be? I put on lots of, there we go. There we go. Okay, and that's just gonna zip right up here. Just like that. That's pretty sweet. It has all these little hanging things in there if you want to put, let's see, if I zip this up, can the cats get in there? Or I could just leave one spot open so they can run in there. I think I'm gonna do that. Let's go put this in the living room and I'll show you guys. So this has this cute little cat bed right here, and that just attaches right on this thing. I'm sure that Boogie is going to love this thing, as he loves all kinds of tunnels. Oops, I think that I'm missing one right here. Okay, this little loop right here. He absolutely loves, every time we get a cardboard box or something, he just jumps inside of it. Okay, so there's that. And these just hook right in here. Very colorful. Very, very colorful. And here we go. I am sure Boogie is like looking at it very curiously. I'm pretty sure he's going to love it. Okay, so there we are. Let's actually go set this in the living room and watch him play. Okay, let's see if Boogie wants to go inside. He's always curious. Boogie, come on. Come on. You go inside? You go inside? What's inside? There he goes. Boogie, go inside. What's inside, Boogie? Oh, there's a little bed in there. Okay. Yeah, looks like he kind of likes the bed there. Boogie, you like the bed? How do you get inside there, buddy? He's usually pretty smart about figuring stuff out. Looks like he likes the bed. Boogie, you like the bed? What's that, buddy? How do you get in there, Boogie? He's been tired. He was sleeping on... Oh. Boogie. He's trying to figure out how to get that ball in there. I hung one of the balls inside there. Hey buddy, you gotta go in there. Sometimes he's in a super playful mode. And other times he's just tired. This might be tired Boogie that we're seeing. What's he doing? Oh, he really likes to play though. Boogie, inside. Come on. Ooh, don't get me. His eyes are getting big. Go inside. You go inside right here. Come on, buddy. You wanna go inside? Whoa. I'll see if I can get my other cat here. See how he likes it. Hey there, buddy. You wanna go in the cat tunnel? Come on. You wanna go inside? Come on, Boogie. He's still kind of figuring out if he wants to come in here or not. Boogie, come on. Usually, like, there's any kind of tunnel at all, and he'll just run in there. He's really playful. But he also likes to relax. My baby bear, he's a baby bear. You wanna go inside? It's inside the tunnel. Boogie, come on. Come on, buddy. What are you doing? You wanna go in the tunnel? Maybe the tunnel's not dark enough. Boogie. Go inside the tunnel? Come on. Can you go inside the tunnel? Come on, bud. Well, let's see if I can get my other cat here real quick. All right, he chased it into the tunnel. And there he is. Boogie. If I can get Thomas here too, I think they'd have a lot of fun in here. Now Boogie's walking around in the tunnel now. He's got the ball. He chased the ball in there. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Oh, yeah, he's got it. Well, I think they're going to have a lot of fun with this, my friends. Boogie's just figuring out how to play in there. I'm going to try to get Thomas and see if he wants to play also. Looks like Boogie's having a lot of fun though. So I'd have to say cat tunnel, definitely cat approved. What do you think, Boogie? he likes that ball. All right, my friends. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as Boogie did. Have a great day, and we'll see you all next time. Boogie, you want to say bye? You want to say bye, buddy? You want to say bye? He's having too much fun.